Hello, welcome back to Rick's Kit. Okay, it's another quick update on where we're at with the 57 Thunderbird, the Matchbox AMT kit, 1/16 scale. You can see we've got the underside of the main chassis with the frame. I'm just cleaning up the frame parts. Actually goes that way. Ready for prepping and painting. That's what these bits are for on here. This is all part of the front suspension parts. They're all prepped up, cleaned up, ready for some paint. Same with the they call them the A arms, suspension arms to me. Well, and same goes with the exhaust. With these, they're crikey. I've sprayed those in aluminium. Got the other two bits of which go to the engine. We've got most of the camera shot. I've got most of the engine together. Like I said earlier, I had to change to the sportier version because carburetor was actually missing, so I couldn't put the original early version of the engine together. So I've had to go to the more sporty custom version. I am going to try, if I can, bit of focus at all. Probably not, because it's too shiny, I think, really. You got a Ford Thunderbird logo, yeah, just about there. Ford Thunderbird logo on here. I'll try and paint it up with the colours that I've actually seen online, which is like a turquoisey sort of green, I think. So I'll try and get that on there if I can. Might not be able to. The old eyesight's getting a bit crap nowadays. I've started dealing with the wheels. This is not glued in yet. Just one of the chrome pieces. So we got body colour. These are not painted onto the tyre. They're actually a separate plastic part which fits between the steel road wheel and the tyre. So that sits in there quite nicely. I've had to go over them with white Tamiya XF1 flat white, because there are strange transparent sort of plastic which they've used. It seems weird because you've got the normal white, solid white plastic or styrene, whatever you want to call it, and then you've got this semi-translucent stuff. So so it's had to have a coat of white. None of that is stuck together at the moment. I was just spraying up the brake, back of the wheels. I haven't got no steel colour, so I had to use flat aluminium and add a little touch of black in it to make it look sort of steel. It's quite flat. So the body colour is black. So there's one of the door panels, side of the door. So she's going to be gloss black, and the interior, this panel up here is like a chrome aluminium type colour. So I'm going to have to, if I've got any left, use bare metal foil on that. The main outline of the door will be white, and this armrest part will be red. I'm going to have a red and white interior, with the black bodywork. if I don't drop it. So far, she's been sitting a couple of days, so she's picked up a bit of dust. But got the body colour on. She needs cleaning up a little bit. It is a little bit dirty. And I've got a couple of parts under the hood, or the hood, as because it's an American car. If it was an English car, I'd be calling it a bonnet, but because it's an American car, I'll call it a hood. So we've got the battery in there. We've got the brake, not cylinder, vacuum, and that's the air conditioning unit on this side. So yeah, so that's where we're at. I've got nothing more to show you at this moment in time. I've just got to paint up all the suspension and everything and get all that on, and then I will be starting in on the interior, and then hopefully do a bit of chrome around the window area. There's a few other little chrome bits that need to be fitting on the side of the vehicle, and a piece that goes there, I think. There. These are just pieces that have fallen out in the box. So yeah, slight indication. Yeah, so it's quite nice. I've had to do a little bit of cleaning up. Quite surprising actually how much cleaning up I've had to do on this kit, get it to meet. But good old Matchbox kits, like them, I used to love them in the back in the day, especially the 3-colour aircraft kits, or two or 3-colour aircraft kits. Yeah, so that's where we're at. So thanks for watching. Thank you very much to all my new subscribers. I really appreciate that. Currently only 5 subscribers away from 500. Yeah, so currently sitting at 495 subscribers, and most of all, appreciate all my old subscribers. Thank you very, very much for all your support over the last. So once again, thank you very much for watching. I appreciate all you guys. Wouldn't have a channel without you guys and gals. And I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.